Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, an active Microsoft account and a secure password. Once ready, open the Outlook app or navigate to Outlook. Live, and sign in with your credentials. Make sure to select personal versus work or school profile correctly because that determines available features. Next, set language and time zone so timestamps match your needs. Add a concise signature for outgoing mail. These first steps get your account visible and prevent common sync or identity issues later. Once done signing in, focus on organization. Create folders and set rules to automatically sort newsletters, invoices, and client mail. Use focused inbox to reduce noise and learn the search filters, from subject date to pull any message in seconds. When composing, write a clear subject, a brief greeting, and 1 to 3 short paragraphs that explain actions or outcomes. Insert attachments with the paperclip icon and use importance flags sparingly. They help recipients prioritize your message without cluttering inboxes. To finish, double-check recipients, attachments, and subject line before you hit send. This reduces retractions and follow-ups. Make sure your account is added to your phone's Outlook app and that sync is enabled so calendar invites and replies arrive everywhere. If messages fail to send, clear the app cache, confirm server and authentication settings, and restart Outlook. These steps resolve most connectivity problems. If that fails, temporarily disable VPN or firewall, because network policies often block mail servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.